So just a couple of weeks ago, Google had their flagship event, Google I/O 2024, which happened in 14th May. So this was just a day after OpenAI also had their event where they did a bunch of announcements. And this time, Google's announcements were very important in the sense that it also came with a bunch of improvements in their AI development, AI experimentation, and stuff like that. So let's go through a few of the most important announcements that Google made, and let's have a discussion regarding how they compare to OpenAI's announcement. So first of all, if we look at the Gemini family models, so Gemini 1.5 Pro was already there from Google, and it got more better as per Google. So they have made Gemini 1.5 Pro more efficient, more accurate, and not only that, they also published Gemini 1.5 Flash, which is a lighter version of Gemini 1.5 Pro, and since it's lighter, it's also much faster in terms of performance. It offer enhanced capabilities, and 1.5 is actually optimized for speed and efficiency at scale as well. So you can actually use this in both Vertex AI and Google AI Studio, which is another thing that they are both available now at multiple places for developers to have a use at it. The other big part was about the context window. So both 1.5 Pro and 1.5 Flash of Google Gemini 1.5, they comes with a context window of 1 million tokens. Now, for those of you who do not know what context window is, it's basically how much or I would say like the number of tokens that you can send to the LLM at just a single prompt, right? So the larger the context window is, the larger prompt that you can send. 1 million token context window, it's almost like 750K, 750,000 words, which is like way more than what you would probably require. Not only that, they also announced that 2 million token context window will also be available to developers. It's right now, you basically need to join the waitlist for that. But this context window, this enhanced context window is a big thing because if you, in comparison, if you look at ChatGPT models, which is powered by GPT-4 Turbo and currently GPT-4o as well, or GPT-4 Omni, they comes with around 120K or 32K context window. Yeah, as you can see, so uh, this basically demonstrates the context length of leading foundational models. You can see Gemini GPT-4 Turbo comes with 128K. Claude 3, so Claude 3 has also various versions, Sonnet, Opus. They comes around 200K context window, but Gemini 1.5 can handle 2 million context window, which is like greater than 1.4 million words, 60,000 lines of code, 22 hours of audio, 2 hours of video, which is huge. Next, there was also they also Google announced Project Astra, which is how they envision the AI assistants would look like. So there's also a video on Project Astra. It's just it can stream directly from your camera. It can interact with you both through voice as well as images. You can interrupt its whatever it's saying. You can interrupt that and also put additional comments, additional prompts. So this is a great thing. The other part is VO. So Google actually announced VO, their text to video generation model as well. So yeah, here it is. So you know that few months earlier, OpenAI also announced Soda, which was their uh, text to video generation model, but it's still, I would say, in beta phase where only some beta test users can use this Sora. So Google have also announced VO, which is their text to video generation model, which is capable of actually producing very high quality. I won't say produce, like generate very high quality videos above uh, 1 minute. So one of the drawback of earlier models was like it was limited to 1 minute videos only. Now, Veo can actually generate 180p videos, sorry, 1080p videos for more than 1 minute length, and it can go beyond like. So there are various cinematic style, visual style that can be applied to VO. Apart from that, there was Imagine 3. So Imagine 3 is the text to image generation model that Google is working on. So you guys already know that OpenAI is backed by Microsoft as well. So DALI 3, which Microsoft and OpenAI has basically both partnered to create. DALI 3 is the model that usually ChatGPT use for in their backend, and now Google has also come up with something of their own, which is Imagen 3, their highest quality image generation model. Apart from that, Google has also worked on some music AI and video effects. So these are AI lab products. So Google has their own AI lab where people can actually tinker with different tools and models. So there you can actually use these tools to look like how things are working and not. So in video effects, you can like add context, you can add a lot of thoughts, scenes, iterative scenes, and a lot of things that you can do in there. Apart from that, I would say one of the main part of our main importance of how Google is approaching towards their AI roadmap is trying to integrate these AI models in the workflows. So you can now see that Gemini is available in multiple places, starting from Android Studio to normal Google developer portals, and also uh, in Vertex AI, through Vertex AI and through the AI Studio, you can also use Google Gemini in other places. And even in your normal workflow, you can actually get to see Gemini in work, in Google Docs, in Gmail, and in other Google workflow apps. So this is a big thing from Google. And apart from that, one of the other updates, yeah, so their search is now more I would say like they are using, SGE, which is generative. They are using generative experience in search, Google search, which is an innovative approach of the search paradigm powered by AI. So you can get to see like more comprehensive and informative search results. You also get to see a very basic overview of the search results tailored to you as well. And Google Photos has also an uplift because there are more AI-powered features in the Magic Editor that will allow users to easily edit and enhance their photos. So there are a bunch of other Google updates as well. But now just let us concentrate on how the whole AI journey, whole AI roadmap is working for these two giants. So, like Google and Microsoft, they are the big giants, right? And Microsoft has already like did a very, very big funding to the OpenAI's project. So basically, OpenAI and Microsoft is basically now a joint venture, whereas Google is still going solo, and it has the capacity to go solo. And their latest announcements actually show that. So GPT-4o, which was announced by OpenAI just a day prior to these announcements, so GPT-4o or GPT-4 Omni, it was the first multimodal model that they have unveiled. So previously, most of the LLMs that you see were just text LLMs, like they can take text as input and provides text as output. And you need to basically provide a lot of wrappers or tools that can actually convert other modalities, like say, for example, if you are adding some audio, it needs to be converted to text before you can actually send that to the LLMs. And also, again, you have to convert the text back to audio. So these small wrappers need to be there, need to be integrated along with all these models, all these LLMs. But GPT-4 Omni was truly multimodal in the sense like it can take audio, images, videos as or text as inputs and can appropriately provide outputs as well. And GPT 1.5 Flash and Pro both are multimodal as well. So if you look at it that from that point of view, both are going to the same direction, like adding modalities, which kind of helps in getting better at assisting people, assisting users in everyday tasks. So you can't just every time you can just write text like a chat, like that you do in a chat, the ability to actually provide all kinds of inputs, and the model also being able to understand the nuances of all kinds of data, that is a big leap. Both OpenAI and Google is going towards that. So it's not about who is better and who is not. Just based on my own experience, GPT 4.0 is very good, very fast. But at the same time, there are some cases where I've seen GPT 1.5 Pro, Gemini 1.5 Pro being more better at answering few stuff. But now, with continued testing, we would be able to see which ones actually works better in working in scale, working in complex scenarios, and other tests would be also done. So that's it from this video. So stay tuned and subscribe to Bonquisitive Tech for more tech related videos and discussions. Thank you.